Hi, it's Stacy with the Stacy Esser Group, and I am really excited to tell you we are going to continue doing our home staging and home selling seminar workshops. It's been amazing, great turnout, and so we're going to continue doing it. If you are somebody who's not even thinking about selling your house, and maybe you've got a couple kids in college, maybe you have only one at home, maybe you're not ready to downsize, right size, whatever it may be, we're here to tell you that it's going to creep up on you, and we want to prepare you. So we're offering you tips and tricks all about how to get yourself ready for that event, and of course how to help really have less stress and sell your house for more money. So we'll cover everything, including staging tips, repairs, what to do, what not to do, what your buyer today is looking for that maybe is a little different than what you were looking for when you were a buyer. So our home staging and selling workshop is really a very informative, valuable workshop that we offer, and it's complimentary to you. So just go to our website. It's stacyesser.com/events, and come on over and we will share so much great information with you, and I am sure you will find it invaluable. I look forward to seeing you at our home selling and staging workshop. Again, you can get complimentary tickets at stacyesser.com/events.